Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the notification sound in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for sound and vibration option. There is a notification sound here and there is a standard list of your notification sound. You have to choose whatever notification sound you want, you like, or whatever else. You can choose the volume of the sound, of course, here. And after that, when you accomplish the choice notification sound, it will be set up for your SIM 1. If you have some SIM card second in your dual SIM version, you have to choose the notification sound for your second SIM card. Of course, you can set up the same notification. And anyway, you can choose the volume for the SIM card too. So you can prefer to your person whatever sound you like and how loud it's being. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!